have a little bit of design skills, you don't want to spend money on a graphic designer. You know exactly what it is that you want to use to promote your business. This is another installment of our helpful business tools in our entrepreneurship and business series. And this time we're going to talk about Canva. A lot of people know about Canva, and it's almost growing every day of the uses that you can use it for. You can use it to make Instagram posts, story posts. You can use it to make thumbnails for your YouTube videos. You can use it for graphics, for flyers, business cards, presentations, or digital courses. Canva is a very helpful tool, and even the free version is very helpful and useful. There are hundreds, if not thousands, of templates that you can use to design all these different things that will definitely help you in your business and help to give you a professional look. A lot of times you can go on Etsy and they may send you a Canva template that you can customize, and so you can just see that there are so many, the possibilities are endless of how you can use it. You can really use Canva to start a business, just selling templates that you make. You can practice and make ideas. If you do want to send to a graphic designer, you can say, hey, I want something similar to this, or something with this wording or this look or feel. So what is Canva? Canva is a graphic design platform that provides simple drag and drop interface for creating designs for web or print. It offers a wide selection of templates, tools, and elements for users to create visually appealing graphics and designs. Canva is popular among businesses, marketers, and individuals for its ease of use and ability to produce professional-looking results without prior design experience. So as I said, you don't have to be a professional to be able to get use out of Canva. I personally recommend the Pro membership because it unlocks even nicer looking templates that look even more professional. I love it. Canva works really good, very user friendly. You can find it in the App Store. It's very affordable, and you can just play around with it. You want to create a digital course. So passive income and digital courses are very popular now. It's very possible for you to make your own digital course using something as simple as Canva. You put in all the information that you need to in your pictures and graphics and videos, and there you have passive income that you can promote and get your business started. Canva has been very helpful to me, and I hope it's helpful to you. I hope that this information is something that you can benefit from, and thank you for watching. This is another installment of our business and entrepreneurship tips and tools series, and once again, this hair is from Gorgeous Extensions, and you can find Canva in the App Store. Thank you for watching.